In this video, we will discuss about botanical name of tea, its family, how this is cultivated, what is its morphology, and what is its composition and economic importance. Tea is very important non-alcoholic beverage. This is also commonly called as chai. Its botanical name is Camellia sinensis. Camellia sinensis variety sinensis. Camellia sinensis variety Assamica. This plant grows in the form of bush. We can see here, this is the bush of tea plant. This is evergreen. Its leaves don't fall throughout the year. So this is evergreen, perennial shrub. And if we see its plant, we can see here, this is stem and these are its leaves. We can see here. Now this is the bud which is present at the tip. This is stem and here bud is present. And this is the first leaf and this is the second leaf. So this is first leaf order, this is second leaf order, third leaf order, fourth leaf, fifth, and this is fish type leaf. So this is about its stem and leaves and buds. If you see its leaves, they are elliptic in shape or lanceolate. Their margin is serrated. Like this is the margin of the leaf, this part, and this is showing a serration like this. So this is serrated. Leaves are having very rich in oil glands or beset with numerous oil glands. So it is having thiol oil glands which give its characteristic aroma. Now if we see its flowers, they are whitish or pinkish in color. They are borne in the axil of the leaf. They may be present single or in a group of 2 to 4. Fruit category is capsule having brown seeds. If you see about its cultivation, temperature requirement is about 16 to 32 degrees centigrade. This usually grows on acidic soil with pH 4.5 to 5 and 50-inch rainfall is required. Humidity requirement is 80%. Now, if we see types of tea depending upon the leaves which are involved in the formation of the tea. If we select bud and first leaf and second leaf, right? So this is pico type of leaves, teas picked with 2 leaves and bud. So this tea lead to the formation of pico type of tea. Orange pico is when full leaf with no tips and buds. Like if we take here from the lower part, these leaves are taken and tea is made. This is called as orange pico. Flowery orange pico, longer leaves are selected which have certain buds also. So this will lead to the formation of flowery orange pico. So depending upon the fermentation, how much fermentation is done, types of tea, black tea, which is fully oxidized and fermented, then it is dried. This lead to the formation of black tea. And when there is no oxidation of the leaves, no fermentation of the leaves, so this is unfermented. Green tea, only leaves they are taken. They are not oxidized, not fermented, and that lead to the formation of the green tea. Then oolong tea, which is partially fermented, very famous in China. Then white tea, which is kind of delicacy because this is being produced from the bud of the tea plant. So this is light in color, rich in antioxidant. Again, it is not fermented, so this is unfermented. Another tea which is very important in China is pure tea. This is fermented and stored underground for many years. This is quite expensive because this is used as delicacy. Then yellow tea, which is between green and white tea. So this is also not oxidized, soft and mild in nature. Herbal and botanical teas are when teas are supplemented with spices like clove, then pepper, then elaichi, then mint can be added, tulsi can be added, ginger can be added, some flowers like hibiscus can be added, certain roots can be added for the formation of the tea, then it is called as herbal or botanical tea. Now, if you see the composition of the tea plant, it will have polyphenols rich in flavonoids, catechins, tannins are there. Tea flavonols are quercetin, myristin, and camphorol. And these flavonols are mainly in glycosidic form, that is in sugary form. So this is caffeine is alkaloid which is present in the tea. Fragrance and aroma of the leaves is due to the presence of oil glands which contain ethereal oil and thiol oil, which gives it a characteristic flavor. What is the economic importance of the tea? 2 billion people in the world, they drink tea every morning. Tea is very refreshing. If we talk about India, India is the largest producer of tea in the world. And in India, which states are important for the production of the tea? Assam state, number one state in the India for the production of the tea. So this is also called as a tea garden state. Then West Bengal is at second number. Then other areas which help in production of the tea are Nilgiri Hills, Kerala, and Karnataka. Even certain areas of Himachal Pradesh are involved in the production of the tea. Tea is rich in antioxidants, so this has anti-aging properties. Tea has less caffeine than coffee. If you take coffee and feel jittery, then you can switch to the tea because it has less caffeine. Tea may reduce risk of heart attack and strokes. Drinking tea keep the arteries smooth and clog free. Tea also helps in protection of the bones. It contains fluoride and tannins that may control plaque of teeth, but you have to drink unsweetened tea. If we take calorie-rich tea, that is not useful for us. That is harmful. We can take less calorie tea. Tea improves immune defenses. That is, it protects your immune system. Then tea also have anti-cancerous properties. It has polyphenols which can fight with the cancer. Tea keeps us hydrated. But if we take more of the tea, like if we take 5 or 6 cups in a day, then that amount of tea is not good for health. That help in production of acidity in the body, and that leads to burning sensation. But if we take moderate amount of tea, it is good for hydration as well as health. If we take unsweetened and less milk tea, then it is calorie free. But if we add more of milk and more of sugar, then this is calorie rich. This in moderate amount of tea increases metabolism, and this also reduces inflammation in the body. Tea drinking are very important for social gathering. If some guests come at our place, or we go at certain places, or we have a get together, for social gathering, tea is very important. Uh, when puja ceremony is there or some rituals are there, then also tea is served. And students also, they enjoy tea in the canteen. Tea is also a tea point where we get tea and sit together. This adds to intellectual point of discussion. So enjoy tea, and this is all about advantages of tea. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe.